Hi guys! This video ay para sa mga new teachers na naghahanap kung ano yung mga skills na magagamit nyo for online ESL teaching. Pwede din to sa mga aspiring ESL teachers. Pwede nyo magamit to sa demo nyo. So, let's get started! Start of the lesson, ito yung mga pwede nating sabihin. Yan yung mga pinaka-basic, right? Hi, hello, how are you? It's nice to meet you. I am, or my name is, I am teacher. What's your name? What are your hobbies? Sorry, I don't speak. So, kung si student nag-a-answer siya dun sa language nila, we can say, sorry, I don't speak Chinese, Korean, Japanese. Ayan. And other ways na pwede niyong sabihin yung mga yan ay mga to. Welcome to our class. Good morning. Good evening. Glad to meet you. Great to see you. Pleased to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. How are you doing today? How are you feeling today? What's up? Ayan. So, instead of puro how are you lang tayo, di ba? Pwede nating i-change ng how are you doing today and how are you feeling today. Ito namang what's up, magagamit nyo to kung close na kayo ni student. Ngayon, kapag si student naman, nagustuhan niyo yung class niyo at bumalik siya sa inyo, pwede niyong sabihin na, nice to see you again. Glad to meet you again. Great to see you again. Long time no see. How have you been? What are you been up to? What have you been up to? Ayan. Okay. And yung mga questions naman na to is for getting to know your student. So, kung gusto nyong mag-develop ng connection or mag-develop ng rapport sa students nyo, syempre hindi naman pwedeng araw-araw, di ba? Or every class, tatanungin natin siya, what are your hobbies? So, maganda kung every lesson, iba-iba yung tinatanong natin sa kanya. And ito yung mga questions na pwede nyong gamitin. Um, kung gusto nyong tignan yung mga questions na to, itong slide na to, i-upload ko siya sa Facebook page ko. So, pwede nyo siyang i-download and gamitin. Ang Facebook page ko ay this one. I-search nyo lang, Mentor Apple DC. Okay, let's continue. So, getting to know your students. Ito yung mga questions na pwede nyong gamitin. Next one is technical issues tayo. So, kapag nagkakaproblema tayo sa class, pag hindi natin marinig si student and gusto nating magtanong, we can ask, can you hear me? Kung hindi natin siya marinig, I can't hear you. I can't hear you clearly. I can't hear you clearly. The line is breaking up. So, kung yung line, putol-putol, yan. I can't hear you clearly. The line is breaking up. Next one is, sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you repeat that? Could you please say that again? Kung si student naman, mahina yung boses niya, we can ask, could you please speak louder? And kung talagang hindi natin marinig si student and kailangan natin mag-call back, tanungin natin siya, can I call you back? And kapag nag-agree si student, sabihin natin na, okay, I will call you back. Alright, next one is effective praise. So, kung paano natin imo-motivate or ipa-praise si student. Ito yung mga pinaka-basic. Very good. Good job. Wonderful. I'm so proud of you. You make me proud. Yan. And other ways, fantastic, excellent, outstanding, tremendous. Yan. Syempre kung sa whole class natin, 'di ba? Kung sa whole 25 minutes or sa whole 50 minutes ng class natin, puro very good lang tayo. Parang medyo nakakainip. So, maganda kung iba-iba yung sasabihin natin sa student. And ito, kung beginner yung mga student, pwede sa kanila yan. Pero kung beginner si student, baka hindi nila maintindihan tong mga to. So, itong mga words na to, mas maganda siya kung si student ay nasa intermediate level na. Okay? Ang pwede pa nating sabihin ay, you're getting better. That's better. Much better. You're doing great. I like that. Keep it up. You're learning fast. You really make my job fun. Okay, next one is engaging with the student. So, kung gusto nating i-check kung naiintindihan ba tayo ni student, we can ask, after nating mag-explain, pwede natin tanong, is it okay now? Or, can you understand me? Do you have any questions? Yan. Ito naman, instruction. Pag nagbibigay tayo ng instruction kay student, please look at your book. Please read. Please read after me. Please repeat after me. Let's move on to the next page. Tapos, kung meron tayong pinapakita sa kanya na part ng book or meron tayong tinuturo, we can ask, can you see this? And then, kung gusto nating ma-feel ni student um, na talagang tutulungan natin siya, pwede nating sabihin na, don't worry, I will guide you. Or don't worry, I will help you. Okay, sa end of the lesson naman, we can say, I'll see you again. See you on my next class. See you soon. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Goodbye. Bye bye. Next, other ways. Have a good one. Take care. It was nice meeting you. It was lovely meeting you. I had a great time with you. Don't forget me. Keep in touch. Ayan. And ito namang mga suggested spills, kung gusto nyong mag-book ulit si student, kung gusto nyong i-encourage si student na mag-book or bumalik ulit sa class nyo, pwede nyong sabihin na, I'd like for you to book me again so I can check on your progress. Would you like that? Or, I enjoyed teaching you today. Book me again so we can continue learning English. Next, kung binigyan natin siya ng homework, book me again so I can check on the homework I've given you. And lastly, if you enjoyed this lesson, book me again so we can advance your English lessons to the next level. Okay, so thank you for watching my video and happy teaching!